Hi guys, so today we're gonna talk about vitamin C products, specifically serum products. So I have already used two of them so many times and अभी एक नया वाला test out कर रहे हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. So also the other products that I got from Amazon, Korean beauty products. Without wasting any time, I'm just gonna start with my favorite one. You guys know it is Goodal Tangerine Goodal. This is the green tangerine vitamin C dark spot care serum from Goodal. So I think the green tangerine is the brand's name. I don't know about the Goodal, but yes, this is such a good serum. I have used so many of them. I've already completed this. ये पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, and I've used already like 3-4 bottles. तो पूरा खत्म ही कर चुका है. तो right now I'm testing out different vitamin C products and also the thing about vitamin C, let me just clear क्या करता है vitamin C. Why do I love vitamin C so much? Because it helps to even out the complexion. Because mostly क्या होता है कि मेरे यहाँ पे थोड़ा कलर डिफरेंट रहता है, अनइवन रहता है, यहाँ पे बहुत येलोइश काइंड ऑफ रहता है. आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ एशियन पीपल दे फेस दिस काइंड ऑफ हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन or pigmentation in this area, ये जो mouth area में. तो it helps to even out that, and also it helps to brighten up your face. Skin को brighten करने के लिए help करता है, and also dark spots जो होता है उसको light कर देता है. It gives you like very healthy kind of glow from within kind of look. So that's what I look forward to. And this good guy right here is very popular in Korea. That's what I got to know from the videos that I've watched. But yeah, this is a really mild vitamin C product, and it also does not oxidize at all. That's what I love. And does not smell like it does not smell pungent like other vitamin C products. If you're looking out for a vitamin C product in serum, I would definitely suggest this one. Okay, so in second we have this Clears ones, and I feel like a lot of people have used this. This is a good vitamin C serum, I would say, but right now recently I haven't used this, to be honest. I have used this during my college days so much because मुझे पता नहीं था तब समय other options, तो मैं यही यूज़ करती थी. बट this is a good vitamin C product. The only downside I would say that it smells so pungent. शुरू में तो इतना pungent smell नहीं करता है, and oxidize भी नहीं होता है. वैसे तो अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा oxidize हो रहा है. Can you look at it? पहले बहुत crystal clear था, but it does oxidize with time, and it does smells pungent with time. यहाँ तक आते आते तो पूरा oxidize हो जाता है. That's what I experienced. But this is a pure vitamin C. So if you're looking out for pure vitamin C, then you can just get this. And also, if you're not worried about the smell and also oxidized होने से कुछ problem नहीं है, तो you can use this. Okay, so this is in second number because I have tried and tested this and experienced it, but this one is a new product, so I'm just gonna keep it in third for right now. तो ये मेरा जो decision है ये change भी हो सकता है time के साथ, because I haven't tried it enough to tell you guys कि कैसा अच्छा लगा मुझे, because it's only been like 2 days, I would say. I feel like I have to test it for 1 more month to tell you about the results, but it's definitely like vitamin C and glutathione तो brightening and fairness के लिए होता है. तो if you're looking into brightening, glow, fairness, आपको dark spots को light करना है and pigmentation को light करना है, even tone skin चाहिए, तो आप definitely इसे use कर सकते हो. So you can also comment down below if you have tried it, and I'll just look into it and I will pin it on the comment section. So that was all the 3 vitamin C products that I wanted to share with you guys. We had moisturizer भी था यहाँ पे, serum भी था, moisturizer भी था. Moisturizer was a bit shocking for me also. I didn't knew कि moisturizer use कर रहा था, अभी देखा साथ में. तो yeah, we have moisturizer also in vitamin C category. And the new Korean beauty product that I have been loving, I have tried this like 3 times now. This is the face cleanser from Anua. Now this brand, this is such a good brand. I don't know why I was missing out on this. And if you are missing out on Anua, guys, I'm telling you, Anua is such a good brand. And इसका जो मैं serum भी use कर रहा अभी, इसके साथ collab किया था मैंने actually. Anua का जो face serum है and also उनका जो moisturizer है, I have tried them. वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे, तो I was convinced to buy this. I'll share with you guys. I have I have them with me. So these are the serum and the moisturizer that I've been talking about. This is PDRN Hyaluron serum, and this is the same one, PDRN and Hyaluron moisturizer. These are so good. Oh my god, the moisturizer is, it just instantly makes my skin so supple and so like soft. I'm not even kidding. This is not a sponsorship video. Sponsorship था, लेकिन अभी का जो बना रही हूँ, खुद से बोल रही हूँ मैं, really में भी बहुत अच्छा work करता है. I really loved it. And these are really good for like anti-aging benefits जो PDRN है. इसका और भी बहुत सारा benefits है. Like one of the benefits is like anti-aging. Okay, disclaimer. I only collab with brands. Specifically, I try to avoid skincare brands. लेकिन जो actually में भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है, जैसे कि Anua का products, it's a Korean brand. It's really good. So Bioderma का भी साथ मैंने किया था, उसका भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. उनके साथ ही मैं करती हूँ. And also लाइक मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स जो होता है, मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स में ट्राई करती हूँ, तो उनके साथ ही कोलैब करती हूँ. तो आई ट्राई टू अवॉइड लाइक स्किन केयर बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू लाइक, क्या क्या कुछ भी हो सकता है स्किन केयर में. सो आई ट्राई टू लाइक कोलैब विद द brands that I feel connected to, which I feel like is actually good for my skin. So okay, let's come back to the Anua cleanser. We were forgetting about this, but this cleanser, oh my god, Anua is such a good brand, guys. This is the Pore Deep Cleansing Foam, and iska jo product hai, you can see here, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी अप्लाई किया हुआ है, लाइक क्लस्टर्स है यहाँ पे, लाइक द वंस वी सी इन जो पोर क्लिनजिंग वॉल्केनिक वाला क्लिनजर है उसमें दिखता है, ऐसा टाइप का है यहाँ पे क्लस्टर. बट आई एम श्योर कि ये थोड़ा लीफ का ही है प्रोडक्ट. यस, लीफ का ही है. तो दिस इज़ सच अ गुड क्लिनजर. इतना अच्छा से फोम करता है ये. इवन अ स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ दिस लेदर्स अप सो मच and creates so much foam, and I feel like the packaging is so huge, so I feel like it will easily last us like 2 to 3 months. Anua for the win. So okay, let's come to the next product, which is this, the Alba First Spray Serum. And I don't know how many times I have talked with you about this serum spray because I have loose count of it and I have tried so many of this. And उसका जो मैंने बड़ा वाला पैकेज में लिया था उसको मैंने बहन को दे दिया. तो आई ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर्ड. ओके, सो वो आ रहा है, इसलिए द रीज़न बिहाइंड वाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस एम्प्टी बॉटल इज़ बिकॉज मेरा पैकेज अभी आना है, अभी तक नहीं आया है. इसको आप टोनर जैसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, सेटिंग स्प्रे जैसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, एंड इन बिटवीन मेकअप भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो इट हैज़ सो मैनी बेनिफिट्स. यू जस्ट हैव टू शेक इट अप. एंड यहाँ पे तो अभी थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट है नहीं, बट still has some of the product. It smells so good and so refreshing. इसका smell सुनते ही आप बहुत एकदम से refresh हो जाओगे. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope कि आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ value मिला and आपके लिए कुछ products मिला. Specifically vitamin C का जो product सब था बहुत ही अच्छा था, and also like other products were also really good. So yeah, I really enjoyed. I love Korean beauty products and I hope you love them too. So please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to bring more of these kind of beauty hauls for you guys, and also vlogs bhi aana hai. Don't worry about that. So yeah, that was all. Bye. I'll see you next time.